heads-up display that Mazda is currently offering in the lineup. It is a full color display that's going to give you quite a lot of information. As you can see, currently it's showing the fact that we're sitting still at 0 miles per hour. However, with the vehicle running, you will be able to adjust a couple different things. The vehicle does not have the cruise control on at all. Once the system is turned on, you're going to notice an icon pop up to the right of your speed, giving you 3 lines representing your speed. Nothing is set since we're sitting still. However, it will allow you to adjust the distance that you are going to allow your vehicle to have to the vehicle in front of you for your radar controlled cruise control. So with a push of the up or down arrow on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll see the blocks go from 1, 2, 3, and to 4. Each block is going to represent 25 feet of distance while you are under 50 miles per hour and 40 feet of distance over 50 miles per hour. It's a nice gauge for you to see where you're comfortable in regards to the vehicle taking action based on the vehicle in front of you. In addition to that, you are also going to get your lane departure warning as well as your blind spot monitoring icons that will appear on the lower left hand corner of the screen for your driver's side and lower right hand portion of the screen for the passenger side. While we are driving, you're going to see a couple other things come up, and when they do, I'll be glad to go over